He's an actor who gives the best of all worlds. Karan Thakur.
My little bit of a phase, which is really tough because for almost about 6-7 years, I did not get work as an actor of the kind of work that I wanted to do because I'd taken a break from TV. But yeah, that part of my career was really tough, and it gave me a lot of learning. And luckily, at some point,
Leap of faith होता है ना that you had in yourself कि I have to take this leap of faith and I have to leave something behind so that I can move onwards and forwards in my life and upwards as well.
because सपना तो वही होता है ना।
Absolutely.
तभी सपना कहते हैं जो थोड़ा सा अनअचीवेबल हो, थोड़ा सा अनबिलीवेबल हो, थोड़ा सा लगे कि यार ये नहीं हो सकता।
Yeah.
I feel तभी सपने का मजा आता है। Do I love doing action? 1000%. I really enjoy using weapons. I love the idea of having guns to my disposal. Actually, my next show that I'm doing, which is again a paranormal drama thriller, right?
Oh my
So
God.
that's also a different genre altogether. उतनी जिंदगी की समझ है, उतनी एक इमोशनल बेंट है, उतना मैं इमोशनली जिंदगी को समझता हूँ कि क्या मैं इसमें एक सच्चाई ला पाऊंगा एज एन एक्टर।
Hey guys, I'm Anjali Mukherjee and you are watching me on Pop Diaries channel. I'm in conversation with a very special person. I don't know, he's just very close to my heart. He warms my heart, he makes me smile a lot. And he's an actor. This is something that I really feel is true about him. He's an actor who gives the best of all worlds. In his performances, be it any medium, be it the TV, the OTT, or the cinema, he's giving us the best of the worlds. And right now, I'm sitting at Baro, which is basically giving the world at your table. And at this table, you wouldn't believe me, but I have the one and only, who's very busy these days, Karan Thakur.
I have to tell you, Manjari, first of all, thank you so much. That is a very sweet introduction, but it's so sweet to see you smiling like that. I couldn't help myself but smile as wide as you. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Karan. You are always singing praises. Whenever I talk to you, you always have something good to say about me. But I have to tell you that there's just so much of kindness and so much of warmth that you give out to people who speak to you. And that hasn't changed at all. From the time that I've seen you, TV हो, OTT हो, cinema हो, कितना कुछ कर लिया, लेकिन it's never changed. But when you look back to this journey that you've had, which you've lived, it's self-made. It was challenging as well, but it is a journey that you've lived. And how do you feel now with the accolades and everything?
First of all, thank you for saying that. I have no reason not to be kind. You're so kind yourself, genuinely. Well, my journey's been lovely here. I feel like there is absolutely nothing to complain about as such. Of course, everyone has ups and downs, and I think that's why they call it the journey. But I'll be honest, at the point that I'm in my career, I truly have no complaints at all. I feel like a lot of things that have also not gone my way have just been a great sense of guidance of what I need to work hard on, what I need to pay attention to, and what I could do better to really excel at my job, and make the naysayers change the way that they think about me.
And when it comes to challenges, we always remember the success.
Yeah.
But we never remember the rejections or the failures that we've faced.
Right.
And there have been very few people who have always been there with us in the trials and the tribulations that we've faced. One such rejection that you have faced and you've come out of it, and how did you tackle it?
Rejections are actually a dime by a dozen, because what happens, especially in this industry, you fail way more than you succeed, because you're constantly trying to work as an actor in the 300 odd days, and you end up just doing that one project that you might crack, right? तो आप ज़्यादा ही fail करते हैं. अब सारे फेलियर को याद रखना I think ज़्यादा healthy भी नहीं है, because I feel like it's going to constantly keep weighing you down. तो at the top of the mind मुझे ऐसा कोई खास failure याद नहीं आ रहा, but yeah, I can't, gosh, for the life of me, I can't think of any failure at the moment, and thank God for that. I think it's a good thing.
That's good though. That's really good.
But getting my first break after I did television was not easy. I just was unable to crack work after I left doing TV. So that I feel like could be my little bit of a phase, which is really tough because for almost about 6-7 years I did not get work as an actor of the kind of work that I wanted to do because I'd taken a break from TV. But yeah, that part of my career was really tough. And it gave me a lot of learning, and luckily, at some point, special ops happened. Um, and that learning was interesting because I remember that one, it made me realize that an audition can get you a job, because what happens with all of us actors is that most of the times you're testing so much and nothing cracks. You'll make it to a second round or a third round and you feel like it's not happening. And because special ops happened from an audition, so I feel like it gave me and instilled a little bit of faith in me that, oh, you know what, you can crack a job via an audition, and it only does not take networking, which is what a lot of people make you believe. So that was an interesting learning for me.
Wow, because this kind of made me also just realize that because I'm very indecisive about myself. So वो जो leap of faith होता है ना, that you had in yourself कि I have to take this leap of faith and I have to leave something behind so that I can move onwards and forwards in my life and upwards as well. So that leap of faith is something that I'm not capable of doing most of the times. I get very indecisive कि मुझे एकदम sure होना है कि हाँ भाई मैं जिस तरफ जा रही हूँ वो एकदम crack करूँगी.
Correct.
तो फिर ये मैं ये करने वाली हूँ, वरना मुझसे नहीं हो पाता है.
Correct.
तो right now when you talked about this audition and this thing and that leap of faith and it actually working out for you at the end of the day, it kind of really gave me that fact कि भाई होता है. You just have to believe in it and it will work out for you.
No, 100%. I feel like you have to dream, and you have to have dreams that feel like, am I stupid to have such a big dream?
Yeah.
And you have to dream to a point where somebody else says that this is not going to happen. Because सपना तो वही होता है ना. तभी सपना कहते हैं जो थोड़ा सा अनअचीवेबल हो, थोड़ा सा अनबिलीवेबल हो, थोड़ा सा लगे कि यार ये नहीं हो सकता. I feel तभी सपने का मजा आता है. और बचपन में हमको यही सिखाया जाता था कि aim for like 90%. That's when you'll maybe get like a 70-80%.
Absolutely,
right?
yes.
तो ये तुमको बचपन से सिखाया जा रहा है. तो मेरा आज भी यही मानना है कि आपके सपने तो बहुत ज्यादा बड़े होने चाहिए. वो पूरे ना भी हो, पर एटलीस्ट आपको एक दृढ़ता देता है कि आप उनको पूरा करने की पूरी क्षमता रखते हैं. आप उसकी तरफ काम करने की क्षमता रखते हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं वो आपको आगे ही लेके जाता है. I would like to believe.
Wow, but these are such very warm words. But I'm so sorry. I already took you to this whole conversation because I have been really waiting to have the conversation. But warm words के साथ warm soup भी है.
Absolutely.
And as I told you, कि they are serving the world on a platter.
Okay,
so,
what are we having?
This is
and why am I having this alone? I thought this is a date for two. Are you one of those girls who goes out on a date and doesn't eat?
No, I am someone who has a very healthy appetite.
Okay.
I love having food.
Oh, we're going to share this then.
Is a very good cook, so
okay.
जन्म से.
Lovely. I think सारी माँ खाना बड़ा अच्छा बनाती है. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि उसके पीछे the only difference is कि intention प्यार होता है. So I feel like it always tastes really lovely.
Okay.
I'm going to bring this in the center so you and I can crack a bite.
Okay.
Are you a chopstick person or a fork person? I'll give you a fork.
For the soup, I'll take a.
No, there's like this mushroom on the side as well.
Oh, okay, cool. I'll take this only. Chopsticks थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा मेरे लिए.
Okay. All right. Cappuccino soup. It's an interesting truffle.
I'm actually very curious to know your reaction.
Oh, it's yummy actually. Yeah.
It
quite
is?
yummy. Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh my god! Wow.
It's really nice.
The mushrooms are very good.
Yeah.
I love
It's actually
it.
very yummy.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks guys for giving such a. Oh
wow.
There's more.
Oh, that's a lot of food. Yeah, I like being on a date with you when you're ordering because there's a lot to choose from. Good call. Good call.
And it's all healthy.
Yeah.
Because as you know, I'm right now only allowed to have healthy food.
Done. Can I give this to you?
So
Okay, then.
This is the Caesar salad.
Okay.
So I have to tell you this. So this is the honest truth. I have been to Barrow before.
Okay.
And it's a newly opened
Am I
space.
being
but
conned that you've been on a date here before and I'm a second date that you're trying out places
the only
with different
person I have
boys?
ever been on a date is my sister.
Really? In your entire life?
Entire life. I'm gonna be
My
very
God.
honest. This is my honest
And I'm the second sister.
You're not a sister. I can't take you as a sibling. You're too handsome for that and too talented, and I don't know. It's just lovely to look at you, and Right now I'm having a date and I can't even believe myself.
You're sweet, thanks.
So yeah, so this is Caesar salad
Okay.
and I love the Caesar salad.
Alright.
So I want you to try it.
Okay.
And this is the
Some papa looking thing.
this is the hummus. This is the mushroom hummus.
It's like
Yes.
international papa with hummus. Interesting. So
Wow.
we'll try it all.
I want to know कि कभी-कभार मुझे ऐसा लगता है looking at your
Right.
you know the kind of choices that you've made in characters. This is something that I've noticed recently, even with
Right.
Tanvi the Great. You know, कि somehow after doing the characters of characters like perfect husband, perfect son, perfect brother on TV and everything, and people loving you for that. Now you're into OTT and you're trying out so many different shades over there. You're trying out something new, but somehow it's always a little action driven.
Right.
It's like बहुत ही ऐसे होता है कि action oriented characters हैं. So is it like a conscious thing or is it like something that you just love doing action a lot, so that's why you go for it?
I personally feel like एक तो आजकल का जो genre चल रहा है वो है ही thriller. You know, I think thriller and action is something that's really doing very well.
I know.
I know Special Ops was action, but Khaki was actually quite a drama
Yes.
forward
It was very like
show.
edgy kind of.
Yeah. So no, I'm trying out different genres. You know, I feel like yes, you know, do I love doing action? 1000%. I really enjoy using weapons. I love the idea of having guns to my disposal. I love the whole kicks and punches kind of a setup. It's too much fun. I can't deny it. But I think I really would like to believe my personal forte is drama. I think I enjoy doing drama. I love a very highly verbose script. I love it when my character has a lot of undercurrent of thinking and a lot of silent moments. So I enjoy those beats as an actor as well. Actually, my next show that I'm doing, which is again a paranormal drama thriller, right?
Oh my
So
god.
that's also a different genre altogether.
Wow.
So no, I mean I'm dabbling with a lot of
You are doing
genres.
all my favorite genres.
So my next one is really fun. Actually, you'll enjoy that. I feel.
Paranormal is like my most favorite genre. It's like
Really?
I love it. My dad is always against me watching paranormal stuff because he thinks that it kind of messes with the brain and everything. I'm like no, it doesn't affect you.
But-
Just love it.
I want to tell you, I'm so scared to watch anything horror. I've never watched anything horror in my life.
Really?
मैंने एक पिक्चर देखी है बचपन में
हाँ.
जो पहली एक्सोर्सिस्ट आई थी
हाँ.
और मुझे याद है मैं और मेरी बहन देख रहे थे घर पे और उस टाइम पे piracy VCD का जमाना था
Yes,
that you
yes.
put on a computer and you watch it.
Yeah.
So me and my sister were watching it on my computer and my parents were not. We both got so scared
Yeah.
that we've run out not of the room. हम हमारे फ्लैट के
Oh.
घर के बाहर बैठे होते बैट पे दरवाजा खोल के because हमारी इतनी जान निकली हुई थी जब वो पूरा बेड का एक सीक्वेंस होता है I don't know if you've seen that film.
I have seen the film.
तो मैं तो बहुत बड़ा फट हूँ मैंने आज तक कोई हॉरर फिल्म नहीं देखी है
my God.
बट मुझे शो करने बड़ा मजा आया था I feel like if you like paranormal you really enjoy
I
it.
love paranormal.
It's a very interesting take on this gentleman उनका नाम गौरव तिवारी था was a real person. He was India's first paranormal investigator.
Okay.
ये उनकी कहानी है. I play Gaurav in that.
Wow.
And he unfortunately died a mysterious death in a span of about 8 years in his career. And that's the story that we're trying to explore.
Wow.
Yeah.
I am already interested.
Thank you.
Abhi to, and that's what I said.
Yeah.
Somehow you're doing all the genres that I love, but I also love romance का.
Yeah.
And I think in a way, I think audience को जितने बार भी मैंने ऐसे भी अपने mom को भी पूछा because she loves you. I have to tell you this. And I have one more person over here जिसकी family loves you. Okay.
That's so sweet.
And I have to tell you कि उन लोग सब बोलते हैं कि अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम आ गया कि एक रोमांस जॉनरा तक हो जाए. एक
नहीं मुझे भी लगता है ऐसा टाइम आ गया कि यार एक रोमांस तो करना
I
चाहिए
know.
मैं मजाक करता हूँ उसके बारे में that I'm always surrounded by boys because special ops is only men. I only get to do hand-to-hand combat with just boys and I'm just like
Yes.
beating up people. Or Khaki was with Avinash.
Yes.
I'm not getting to play anything with women. मुझे कभी लगता है कि I think people have started forgetting the fact that I could romance a girl. I think I've also been single in my real life for such a long time that that general visual is not there.
I think it's high
I
time.
was in fact telling my PR, I was like, I'm going to figure to cook up some stories about me, just some random scandals, so that people at least see me in a frame with another girl.
No, but seriously, I think
Yeah.
you should invite love in real life, and then in real life also love will
नहीं
happen.
तो मतलब ये कौन सा तंत्र करना पड़ता है to invite love in real life बताना जरा Yeah, maybe iPop Diaries knows the right way to do it.
We only know manifestation.
Manifestation, chalo, I'm manifesting it from today. If it happens, you're getting credit for it. Done.
Perfect. Good.
On screen.
Okay, chale.
Yeah, done.
ठीक है. The next romance movie that you're doing, you're getting it बहुत जल्दी, then it's the credit goes to us.
100%. Because you put it out there.
Okay, I have already put it
It's
out
on-
there.
it's
I
on
want
video
to see
now.
him in a
It's on
romance
video.
genre.
No one's gonna miss this.
Yeah, I want to see him in a romance genre, and I want to like kind of see this romance. थोड़ा comedy चलेगा.
You're so cute.
लेकिन
I also started my career as an actor doing romance, right? So
Yes.
all my television shows were just being in love with beautiful women.
exactly.
And I was never complaining about it.
And I loved it
So-
because you set the bar too high for us.
Yeah,
And
but it's-
we women over here नहीं मिलते करण. अभी वैसे लड़की नहीं मिलते.
क्योंकि मैं आपको
Finding
बताना
love is
चाहता
very
हूँ हम
difficult.
सब में फ्लॉज होते हैं, हर एक इंसान में फ्लॉ होता है. आई एम श्योर कि अगर आप मेरे भी किसी एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड को पूछेंगे तो आपको पूरा एक लिस्ट दे देंगे of all the flaws that I possess.
Yeah, but you know, I am of the opinion that especially in this generation, and I think you would also somewhere do let me know if I'm assuming. But
I like how you're thinking I'm from your generation. I love it. Yes. So in our generation, what were you saying?
I have a sister who's millennial in nature.
Okay.
And I
Millennial in nature, or
no,
she millennial?
she is a
Okay.
millennial. Sorry, I am millennial in nature.
Okay.
So I'm not Gen Z,
Alright.
even though I was born a Gen Z, but I'm not Gen
Okay.
Z. So yeah. So moving along, I feel that in this generation right now, we have red flags and green flags boxing love so much कि हम ये भूल चुके हैं कि love actually brings growth to a person's life.
Okay.
I don't know if you agree to that fact.
Absolutely.
Like, kind of the moment I find a red flag in someone, even if it is something that that person can work on and move on from, if you are actually in love and with someone, you will grow for that person as a person. So I feel that we have stopped having that patience to in that love or in a relationship.
No, actually, very rightfully said. I'll be honest, this is exactly how I feel about relationships. मेरा तो ऐसा मानना है कि हम सारे ही green और red दोनों ही हैं
Exactly.
of the flags.
Absolutely.
Because you possibly can't just be a green flag all your life, right?
True. Very true.
You have to have your sense of flaws eventually, and that's what makes you human, right?
Hmm.
You have to falter. I feel like the charm of it is if you're willing to love somebody unconditionally and grow with that person, like how you said, and also encourage the person to have his or her journey of growth with you. So I feel like partners need to support each other in that journey. Patience, to you're absolutely right. I think we've all lost a sense of patience to make things work because today, you have the access of multiple avenues of finding a partner, like a dating app or social media or whatever.
Absolutely.
And is why everything's become so temporary. I personally don't subscribe to that model. I don't enjoy it. I
Same.
love the idea of being in love. I love being in a relationship. I have always tried my best to be to treat every relationship like it is something that I can't get out of. I like to make things work. And even if it doesn't work, I'm not somebody who's bitter about it. Of course, it's painful because when you're in love with somebody, parting ways is never easy.
Very true.
Regardless of whatever that how it must have ended. But I feel like you've got to make it work. That's the first intention that you should have. So yes, that's how I feel about it.
And I agree, I completely agree. But it's very few in between people who have the same thought process these days of that kind.
Yeah.
So that's why, because it's very temporary in nature, for me it's very difficult to
Find a partner.
exactly.
No, I hear you. I feel you. I'm pretty much in the same boat.
We would need a partner.
I refuse to do a situationship. I think it's so confusing.
Absolutely.
It is so draining as like on your emotional being. It's not easy mentally. And I'm somebody who believes that when you're in a relationship, like for example, if I'm in a happy relationship, when I say happy, I don't mean happy all the time. Let's say if something that I enjoy being in, I'm my best version. I thrive on love.
Yeah.
I thrive in a relationship. I feel like if you've got a good partner and you're a good partner to your partner, you allow each other to grow, and you allow each other to breathe their own personalities. And you realize that you also have one personality, which is the two of you together.
Yeah.
So in that situation, I thrive the most. I'm doing my best work. I'm looking the best. I'm making it to all my, everything to do with fitness and well-being. I'm taking care of my family, and even my partner is. So I feel there's a charm in companionship. There is a charm in the boredom of a relationship. There's
We
a
don't
charm in
find
just being silent around someone you love.
ऐसे लोग नहीं हैं.
ऐसे लोग मुझे भी लगता है कि ऐसे एक्चुअली पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा हो गया है, बट मुझे लगता है पोस्ट कोविड देयर हैज बीन अ रियल चेंज
Yeah.
in the dating culture, and I personally, because maybe I'm of a different conditioning, I don't think it's for the best.
True,
I
right.
miss being in a relationship like how we did at least when I was growing up.
Yeah.
I know you say that we're from the generation which is the same. I'm a millennial, so for me a relationship was always to keep. So
Yes,
even
exactly.
unfortunately, let's say something that's not worked out has not worked out after 3-4 years of being with each other, right? It's not 3 months. So and
Absolutely.
that's what's sad. I feel like in times of today that
You just give up. आजकल
Yeah.
सब give up कर दिया.
you're afraid that this is even going to go on for 3 months.
Exactly.
Yeah.
क्योंकि पहले जैसे ही they are entering a relationship, they are thinking कि नहीं ये नहीं टिकने
Yeah.
वाला.
Yeah.
So let's just not hope कि it's gonna actually work out. So let's just keep that thing and get into a situation.
You're very scarred, huh? Just like me. I'm also very scarred from all this.
But I'm not even been in a relationship yet. So it's
Ever
like,
in your life?
yeah.
What do you?
just
You're
that-
12.
No, I'm
Oh.
28.
In 28 years, Manju, you've not
No.
you've not had one boyfriend.
No.
Wow.
And I'm very honest about it. It's
That's-
just that ki somehow when I meet people, it's like the mental wavelength is not on the same page.
That's
They are
interestingly
very
inspiring.
temporary in nature, and I am very permanent in nature. If I am into something, I will work for it.
So when your friends and all are dating, you don't get any FOMO.
नहीं थोड़ा होता है क्योंकि उन लोग बोलते हैं कि कल नहीं डेटिंग ऐप एंड एवरीथिंग, बट फिर उसके बाद नहीं होता है बिकॉज फिर उनके रिलेशनशिप दिखते हैं ना.
मुझसे डेटिंग ऐप नहीं होती है.
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं
मैं
होता.
ये टेक्सटिंग नहीं
पहले
कर
तो मेरे को ट्रस्ट इश्यूज होते हैं कि वो जो जिसके साथ बात कर रही हूँ वो इंसान सही है
नहीं,
कि
you get a verified tick, no?
हाँ लेकिन फिर भी क्या मालूम.
No.
I am very scared of dating apps. I have
Okay.
to be honest about
Right.
it. But when I'm meeting people face to face and everything, I'm okay with it.
Right.
So meeting people ऐसे ही and everything, I'm good with that. And I'm good with conversations and everything. But most of them then start becoming friends.
Yeah.
None of them turn out to be men that I can date. So
Fair. I think in good time.
yeah, I'm waiting. It's fine. It's okay. I'm okay. I'm not.
It's not
very
the
happy.
end of the world.
Yeah, I'm not
And
hurrying.
you're fairly young.
Yeah.
You have whole life left.
Yes. But Indian के हिसाब से नहीं होता है वैसा. But they are very. I don't know if you.
I'm sure you build
face
your own
it.
culture.
Exactly. My mom dad are pretty okay with it, so I'm fine. They are like, if you don't want to marry, don't marry. So it's
Cute.
fine. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. But now that we've talked about love
Mhm.
and we've talked about relationships and everything, coming back to, I recently saw Tanvi the Great also, and I wanted to know कि when you're doing complex and layered characters, Karan, but still something very critical to the whole story. Do you always मतलब कैसा कोई inhibition आता है when you're picking characters की maybe doing this kind of a character which is not really like completely there for the whole length of the film. It is complex, it is layered, but it's not there for the whole length of the film. Might kind of not work out for me at the end because I only do leads.
Actually, because I only headline other projects, I feel
Yeah.
it becomes easier to do, let's say, guest appearance in a film.
Oh,
Because you know that it's not going to really hamper the work that you're already doing, right? Because you're already in the rigmarole
course.
of playing leading characters in other projects that you're a part of.
absolutely.
So no, that insecurity has never been there when I pick a project. When I look at a script or I look at a concept, I'm always thinking that is my character mobilizing the larger story? That is what matters. कि जो larger arc, जो कहानी है, जो मतलब एक डायरेक्टर बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसमें मेरा कैरेक्टर उस कहानी को मोबिलाइज करता है, कहीं मूव करता है, कहीं रोकता है, कि उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या है. आई फील वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो चाहे वो एक सीन के लिए हो या पूरी पिक्चर के लिए हो या अगर पूरे शो के लिए, आई फील वो बहुत सेकेंडरी हो जाता है. और मुझे लगता है अब इंडस्ट्री भी बहुत बदल गई है.
That's
It's
very
not only a hero, heroine or a leading actor kind of a thing. We're in a time where only ensembles are fun to watch as an audience. So you understand, as an actor, ensembles will be interesting to do as well, right? Special Ops is an ensemble. While Khaki is not really, I mean, of course, it's an ensemble of kind. But let's say it's two people's story. It's my character and Avinash's character's story.
exactly.
Today as actors, I think we've all become very cognizant of the fact that the story has to be interesting. कहानी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. If the kahani does well, everyone with that project does well. So that's how I look at it. First, that whether the narrative speaks to me. Is it something? Is it a story of a person I feel like telling? And how much of an impact is my character having? And today, of course, see, these things also come. I'll be honest. they come with a little bit of an understanding of the work that you're doing. It comes with a little bit of confidence today that I have a few projects that are going to come out. There's a lineup of a few releases. When you have that in mind, then you know that something like this will definitely not hamper. If anything, it is going to show more scope of things that you are doing. So you start looking at things very differently. I think as and when you keep working and you keep
Yeah.
growing,
Yes.
as a professional.
I think it just added a feather in your cap for being more versatile in nature as well. That is what
Thank
I
you.
felt when I looked at your character in Tanveer the Great. It was something that I'd never seen you in before, and somehow उस तरीके से मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है, and you kind of delivered really good. In
A lot of credit for how to have played that character goes to Anupam sir, quite frankly.
Yeah.
I remember when he had narrated the script to me, and he said he's a while he's an army officer, but he's an army officer who's always wearing a smile, and that really changes the way you look at it.
Yeah.
And that film taught me something very interesting that we always think of that especially parents, right? You know that your parents are going to leave you at some point in life. Everyone's going to pass away, and you feel like, oh my God, what is going to go on once that happens? I know I'm going to miss my parents. But this film made me realize that the angle is that what if I know that I am going to leave my loved ones? What is the void I'm going to, you change the lens from a person who's passing away and leave it to their perspective. So that's how I played this character, and I found that chord very new in my life. I did not have that emotional understanding, but I started looking at life a bit differently post that film, because I feel like I think people who know that they're going to go, I don't know what they really go through mentally, knowing that they're leaving loved ones behind.
That's a lot of.
And that's the story of what my character Samar goes through when he knows that he's got a daughter who is autistic, and he's leaving her behind and his wife behind in that situation. So yeah, I found that narrative very, very beautiful, and I'm so happy that I was a part of it. I'm so happy that Anupam sir, thought that I could kind of do justice to that part.
Yeah. And it was very refreshing to see you in that way.
Thank you.
But I have to ask you, we are at a stage right now when I look as an audience, because we are told to see a lot of films, a lot of series, and critique them, review them. But keeping all that aside, we are at a place where the audience is very unexpected and very kind of, we have a very dynamic way of thinking कि क्या चलेगा क्या नहीं चलेगा at the box office, what is going to work and what is not going to work at all. But then I also see a lot of growth in characters, like stereotypes are breaking a lot, in a sense कि when we talk about conventional hero stereotype, there's vanity. पहले के टाइम पे ऐसा होता था कि they used to look at a person's vanity, कि वो कैसा दिखता है, hero type दिखता है या नहीं, या whatever. But you are someone who has the best of both worlds. You have the talent, you have the versatility, and you also have the vanity. Do you think that puts you at an edge कि हाँ चलो ठीक है? If there is a role which still happens today where they are looking for a conventional hero, you are the perfect example.
I actually never looked at it from this lens that you are saying. No, I see. The thing is, the way your exterior is becomes so by the way. I actually don't. I've never looked at it like this. I get this question. I get asked quite a lot. But I don't know. I've never looked at the way I look to kind of approach, let's say, a certain director or maybe a production house or a script. For me, actually, it's always that how do I look different than what I look like in real life? And that doesn't come from a sense of vanity. That comes from a sense of that tomorrow, if, let's say, you put all my characters in one line that I've played, they should look like different people.
Yeah.
It should not look like a version of Karan. So that's the intention I go with as far as the exterior is concerned. And I leave it just there, actually. मैं कभी ऐसा सोचता नहीं, मतलब जैसे आपने बोला, मैं एक्चुअली क्योंकि मेरे को आज इतने लोग पूछ रहे हैं ये बात, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ मुझे सोचना चाहिए शायद. Maybe that's also it's a learning. Maybe that could be an interesting way to kind of approach something. But no, up until now I've really not done that. I've only looked at characters of stories that as a story do I want to narrate this story. मतलब ये कहानी बताना चाहता हूँ कि नहीं बताना चाहता. Literally मेरा agenda एक स्क्रिप्ट को देखने का यही होता है कि मैं कहानी का एक तो हिस्सा बनना चाहता हूँ, दूसरा एक कहानी में बताना चाहता हूँ. और क्या मेरे पास आज उतनी जिंदगी की समझ है, उतनी एक इमोशनल बेंट है, उतना मैं इमोशनली जिंदगी को समझता हूँ कि क्या मैं इसमें एक सच्चाई ला पाऊंगा एज एन एक्टर. मेरा जो एंडेवर होता है वो इतना ही होता है और वहीं पर आके खत्म हो जाता है.
Wow. That is a very nice way of thinking. The fact that you don't look at the vanity at all, really kudos to you. Because that speaks about your talent and your confidence in your talent.
I really believe that most actors will not, because if you're an actor, the idea is to not look like yourself, right? The idea is to look like the guy on the script.
Yeah, exactly. We are coming to an end of the conversation, but this is something that I really want to ask you because I've never asked you this before. There's a lot of definition out there of what a man should be like.
Okay.
We have a lot of personalities out there doing a certain kind of characters, and I believe, कि जब you are an actor, in a way you are influencing the audience at certain points and levels. Recently, actually, Shah Rukh Khan has also said that he is going to be very mindful because of the kind of influence he has on the audience, and he knows about it, the impact and everything. He's going to be very mindful about choosing characters that he plays and everything. But on that note only, we have a Kabir Singh, we have an animal kind of a character also happening. And over there, we have people like Ranbir Kapoor and Shahid Kapoor doing that. And on a creative line, obviously, kudos to them as actors. But do you think it puts the actor in a box when they're looking at morality? Or do you think it's good to be a little mindful about what kind of characters you're choosing?
I mean, from the comparison you've given me, I can only say that luckily I'm not such a superstar like any of the three names that you mentioned to truly have that burden at this point in my career.
Of course.
I don't think I have such a large impact as a star.
Kabhi-kabhar
No, I can understand, but let's say where a Shah Rukh Khan would come from, right? He's the biggest star that the country's ever had. For someone like him, I can understand that he needs to tread very carefully when he plays a certain character because he knows that that's the impact that he has on such a large number of people, including me as an actor, right? But at the same time, I really have a belief that while, yes, I think entertainment, because it's aspirational, has a certain influence on people. But I feel like that influence is only maybe triggering something that is already existing in someone. मतलब एक 120 मिनट की जो फिल्म है वो आपके जिंदगी की सेंस ऑफ मॉरल्स को इतनी जल्दी नहीं बदल सकता. मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आज अगर आप एक 25, 30, 35 साल के आप लड़के हैं तो आपने अपने 30 साल आपने जी लिए और 30 साल में 120 मिनट बहुत बारी आते हैं क्योंकि बहुत सारी अच्छी पिक्चरें बनती हैं. आप सारी अच्छी पिक्चरों से अच्छा इन्फ्लुएंस लेते हो, सारी बुरी पिक्चरों से बुरा इन्फ्लुएंस लेते हो. वरना आज हर एक पिक्चर में गैंगस्टर तो होता ही है. आप कोई भी हीरो और विलन की कोई फिल्म देखेंगे उसमें विलन तो होगा ही. तो सारी मतलब जितने भी विलन है ऐसा तो है नहीं कि सारे एक्टर विलन बन जाते हैं. सॉरी, सारे जो यूथ है सारे विलन बन जाते हो, सारे गलत काम कर रहे हैं. तो मेरा मानना है कि वो 120 मिनट आपकी जिंदगी, आपकी जी हुई जिंदगी को इतनी जल्दी नहीं बदल सकते. ये कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप बदले हो तो आप बदलने वाले ही थे. Unfortunately, maybe it happened quicker than later. That is something that I feel can definitely happen as an influence. But एक पूरी आपकी sense of political views और आपकी एक sense of morals बदल जाए जिस तरीके से आप जिंदगी को देखते हैं और जीते आए एक मेयर 120 मिनट की पिक्चर से मुझे लगता है नहीं. और कभी कभी वैसे ऐसा भी होता है कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे आपने कबीर सिंह की बात की और कबीर सिंह का जो सबसे फेमस सीन है कि कैरेक्टर ऑफ शाहिद he slaps the character of Kiara, right? ये भी हो सकता है कि आप देखेंगे मैं ऐसा आदमी नहीं बनना चाहता. ये भी एक इन्फ्लुएंस है कि यार ये तो बहुत गलत हुआ कि मैं समझ सकता हूँ, मेरे में इतनी आज समझ है कि ये गलत है कि आपको किसी भी हाथ नहीं उठाना चाहिए, चाहे आप लड़के हो लड़की हो. तो ये भी एक थॉट प्रोसेस है. सो आई फील लाइक इन्फ्लुएंस कोई भी किस्म का हो सकता है, डिपेंड करता है आप उसमें से क्या निकालना चाहते हैं.
Very true. Wow, that was very well answered. But going on a little lighter note, I know that you're an explorer at heart. Life में हो, characters में हो, be it destinations, you love traveling a lot. So, and because through special ops also, you have already said it a lot of times, even to me when I was, having a conversation with you. You said a lot of times that the best part of it.
सर अगर आप और खाना लेंगे तो हमको उठना पड़ेगा, जगह नहीं है रखने के लिए. कुर्सियों पे रखोगे आप खाना. Thank you.
Yeah. So, because you said that, and I know for a fact that you love traveling a lot. What is your favorite destination that you've recently gone to? Outside of India also, it's fine.
What's my favorite destination that I recently went to? Actually, the last 1 year I've traveled quite a lot. 1-2 years. You know, because of special ops, I went to Budapest. You know, we went to Georgia. We went to
Yes.
3 very beautiful cities in Georgia.
Yeah.
That was all lovely. I traveled to Cannes this year.
Yes.
So that was very new. That was very, very special because it was for Tanvi the Great, and just being in Cannes at the Cannes Festival for such a lovely film, that is very, very special. And I think that's one for the books. So I think Cannes would be one of my big takeaways from this year.
Okay. And if I go on food, what do you love exploring when it comes to food? Like your favorite cuisine? घर का खाना नहीं हो सकता, वो सबका favorite.
What I love actually eating all kinds of food. I'll be honest, मेरा सबसे पसंदीदा काम जब मैं कोई नए शहर में जाता हूँ, तो चाहे वो हिंदुस्तान में हो या यहाँ कहीं बाहर हो, मुझे वहाँ का लोकल खाना खाना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. मुझे क्योंकि स्पेशली इंडिया में, क्योंकि हम इतने डाइवर्स हैं, हर शहर का मसालों को इस्तेमाल करने का तरीका बड़ा अलग होता है. तो मुझे हर जगह खाना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. इनफैक्ट मैं बिकॉज काम के चक्कर में इतना नॉर्थ इंडिया ट्रैवल करता हूँ, तो डिफरेंट शहर में उनके इस किस्म का जो खाना होता है वो मुझे खाने में बड़ा मजा आता है. मैं अभी पीछे जोधपुर गया था एक शूट के लिए. तो जोधपुर में बड़ी फेमस है जोधपुर की लस्सी. और जैसे पंजाबी हम जो लस्सी बनाते हैं वो पीने वाली होती है, जोधपुर में लस्सी आपको चम्मच से खानी पड़ती है. तो चीजें ऐसे बदल जाती हैं. वहाँ की जो गजक बनती है गुड़ की, वो बड़ी अच्छी है. वो एक्चुअली अनुपम सर को बहुत अच्छी लगती है, मैं उनके लिए भी लेके आया था. मुझे भी माय मोस्ट फेवरेट डिजर्ट इज गुड़ की गजक. मैं जब दिल्ली जाता हूँ, जैसे मैं भी पीछे 2 दिन दिल्ली था, तो मेरी सबसे पसंदीदा चीज वहाँ पे चाट. आई फील लाइक जिस तरीके से हम दिल्ली वाले हम बोलो, मैं दिल्ली से नहीं वैसे, जिस तरीके से दिल्ली वाले चाट बनाते हैं, जो गोलगप्पे वहाँ मिलते हैं, जो आलू की चाट मिलती है, वो अनमैचेबल है. तो आई एम बिग ऑन फूड. मैं परहेज नहीं करता खाने में बिल्कुल भी. मुझे हर किस्म का खाना बड़ा ही अच्छा लगता है. और
खाने से याद है, खाए थोड़ा.
ये भी खाएंगे तो वर्ल्ड क्यूजीन.
Yeah, and this is gnocchi actually.
Okay.
So please do the
Yeah, for
honors.
sure. Can I get some fresh food?
Yeah, can we get a fork? साथ में खाएंगे.
Yeah.
And then I have a small little gift that I have customized for you.
Absolutely.
And then we
Gifts are always good.
good, nice. I've personally started calling me as the little Miss Santa Claus. Like,
Yeah, that's so cute.
oh, और भी है. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so we have an array of dishes at our disposal.
All right, so we have a pizza, we have
That's
hummus,
called
we have a
polo
gnocchi,
pizza, hummus,
and we have a
gnocchi.
cappuccino soup. All right, so let's dig in. I am going to try what you're having, whatever this is. I think. All right.
How's it?
Yummy.
It's very
It's very
good.
yummy. Spicy. I like it.
It's very good. I love spicy.
Same.
We have so many things in common.
I know this should have actually been a date.
This,
I
I
could
am
have been
considering this as a date.
Could have been, this is your
date,
first date since you're 28 years old now.
Exactly.
After this, now you
Finally.
can say you've not been out on a date.
Yes, no, I'm not saying. I'm going to say it to everyone in the world. I'm
So for the
declaring it.
record, this is the first time she's going out on a date, and I'm the lucky boy who's gotten picked. So thank you very much for
Oh
that.
my god, I'm the luckiest woman right now.
Oh come
God.
on! I think boys get lucky with girls. It's the other way.
See, this is how you have to be. If you're like this, I am going on a date with you. Second wala aapke saath.
I love how you're on a date with me. You're not telling other people, listen, if you're like this, I can go on a date with you also.
Yeah, but मतलब I have to be a little practical also. ना वहाँ पे actually में करना भी है. But thank you so much, Karan. And I just love the fact that you are always so warm and so kind, and the fact that the industry has not changed you at all these years is something that I really love about you, and I hope that keeps happening. That whenever I meet you, I take something really good away from you, and good memories, some warm memories, some warm talks that we have, because every conversation with you is very, very close to me.
Thank you. You're so sweet. You have to tell me such nice things about me.
And before you go, I am the
The Santa
Miss
Claus.
Santa Claus.
I mean, last time you got us jeans.
Yes.
Yes, I remember that.
Customized
Correct.
special ops jeans. वो तो पूरे टीम के लिए था, लेकिन इस बार recently for Father's Day I took my dad. So my dad doesn't stay a lot with us because he goes out for work and everything. तो जब भी वो रहते हैं हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि हम कुछ नया नया करें.
Right.
So we went to this perfume bar
Oh wow.
and we created perfumes for each other customized. So वहाँ पे and I have been trying to
Do you want some
kind of no it's fine. I've been trying to kind of get Karan for a very long time for a conversation. So I've got you a customized perfume. So this is a perfume from
Okay.
Make Your Own
Oh,
Perfume.
thank you very
They
much.
are actually a perfume bar, the
Right.
first India's perfume bar,
Okay.
and they create their own customized perfumes.
Right.
So I got one customized for you. You can actually open it. It has a name on
Sure.
it. So I kept thinking ki kya I can take for you.
That is really sweet. Thank
Yeah.
you. All right, I've got a cool bottle that says Karan Tacker. Thank you very much. You know, my signature is exactly like this.
Really?
Yeah, I sign in this cursive sort of a way. So,
Wow. I don't know if you like
oh,
it.
nice, fresh,
Nice.
good choice. All
Sorry.
right,
Good, I made it.
nice.
Chalo.
You know your men.
I do know my
I'm
choices.
surprised you've not been out on a
Yes.
date.
I know. People are, but
Maybe when you know your men so well is why you're being choosy and picky.
that's
And
right.
so be it. You'll have your own Bridgeton.
I hope so. Cross my fingers. Thank you so much, Karan,
Thank you.
for being on Pop Diaries. And I really, really wish you the best in the future. And I hope I keep meeting you like this again.
No, thank you so much. I want to tell all of you, in fact, everybody at Pop Diaries, thank you so much for always being so supportive. You know, we've shared a very, very long journey.
Yes.
I remember when you guys had started off long time back,
Yeah.
and you all had just started doing like spottings and all.
Yes.
I became a follower since then, and I messaged one of my in your first few months of being Pop Diaries, saying that you guys are doing a very, very cool job.
Yes. He has
I don't know
always
if you
been
remember
very
that.
supportive. Yes.
So
Yes.
thanks for being so cool till date, and supporting me in the work that I do. I really appreciate it.
We love you, so that's why we do it.
Thank you.
And thank you for being the warm person that you are.
No, likewise. Thank you.
This was me, Manjri Mukherjee, on Pop Diaries channel. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. And definitely don't forget to comment and tell me what you loved about Karan Tacker. I love everything. Tell me what you love. Bye.